can't believe you make me come in on my day off.
All right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 13 of Dicemas. We have Thomas here covering for Daniel, who couldn't make it into work today for undisclosed reasons. All right. Do you want us to get straight into it? What I will say about these, they are surprisingly difficult to open. There we go. What have we got? We got a D12. Ooh, is that a new one?
Yeah. So sparkly.
It's like a sparkly, I think it's got like...
Is it candy there?
Is it candy?
Are you telling me that I came into work and there's not even any candy? I could have been at home eating candy.
And instead you're here.
Rolling a 1!
And that's a 1. It's a very unlucky day for everybody because it's 30 degrees and humid and thunderstorms and no one slept well last night. And you had to be called in for a last minute shift.
Yep. Alright. Well, we rolled a 1. That's good outlook for the rest of today. Merry Dicemas, everybody.
Merry Dicemas, everybody.